Today, I'm going to teach you how to create download links in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you want to share PDFs, images, documents, or any other files directly from your website, allowing visitors to download them with just one click. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the websites associated with your account displayed on the dashboard. Now, simply click on the website where you want to create the download link. This will take you into that specific site's management area. From here, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button is your gateway to making any changes or additions to your website's content and layout. After clicking Edit Site, you'll see another button labeled Edit. Go ahead and click that as well. This opens up the full editing interface, allowing you to modify pages, add elements, and customize your site exactly how you want it. Next, position your cursor inside the section where you'd like to place your download link. This could be anywhere on your page, a header section, a content block, or even a footer. Once your cursor is in the right spot, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with various block options. From this menu, click on Text. This creates a text block where you can add your download link. Now, type something descriptive like download link, or perhaps something more specific like download our free guide or get the PDF here. Whatever text you choose will be what visitors see and click on. After typing your text, highlight it and then click the link icon. This icon typically looks like a chain link and is usually found in the text editing toolbar. Once you click the link icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on URL to reveal more options. Then select File from the drop-down. At this point, you can either upload a new file directly or choose from files you've already uploaded to your Squarespace site. This flexibility makes it easy to manage your downloadable content efficiently. Once you've selected the correct file, click Save to confirm your settings. After saving, click Exit to leave the editing mode. Now, when you or anyone else clicks the text link you just created, it will automatically trigger a download of the file you attached. This creates a seamless experience for your visitors, giving them instant access to your resources. And that's it. You've successfully created a download link in Squarespace. Your visitors can now easily access and download the files you've shared. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.